If you're an owner of a construction project or a building developer, this video will help you to reduce production and construction costs up to 20%, as well as reduce the project time frame, conflicts, and the risks involved within the project. If this sounds interesting, within the next couple of minutes, I'll be giving you the exact guide. Most of the time, employer goes to an architect and asks for a concept design. And then the employer brings this concept design to the municipalities and asks for their approval to move on with the project. The problem over here is that the project has already started and passed the concept design phase without an appropriate strategy and brief definitions. And generally, when they hire the architect acts either as a design contractor, meaning all the other design stakeholders, design consultants, will be under the architect's umbrella, or else the client goes and hires every single design stakeholder with a different contract. This will limit the collaboration and communication between the stakeholders. And this was because there was a lack of plan at the strategic phase, which will limit the maximum potential output of the project. Instead, if the employer went directly to hire project and BIM managers, then they would have assigned an employer's representative to the project. This representative will act on behalf of the employer who has the necessary skills and expertise in the construction projects and allow maximum potential output from the project for the employer. This will ensure that project runs smoothly from the brief stage to the concept all the way to the handover of the construction for facilities management. Project manager will ensure that the project scope is met at all times. The time frame of the project is within the envisaged project schedule. The cost is kept within the project budget or lower. The respective resources are identified and all the needs of the project are figured out at each stage. The design and construction quality are not lessened, as well as all the risks and contingencies are predicted as well as minimized. On the other hand, PM manager will ensure that the project runs smoothly between the project stakeholders. And this is by involving appropriate technologies, processes, and mindset within the project, which is also called PM execution plan. It will ensure an appropriate communication and collaboration is sustained efficiently and effectively between the project consultants. A plan will be made in order to ensure who, when, and how to deliver the project data, which is also called Master Information Delivery Plan. It will also ensure that there will be validation gates and the provided data will pass through those gates in order to confirm if the data meets with the standards. The change from CAD to BIM will be controlled and managed by the BIM manager, which will overall reduce the waste of time, money, and resources. The roles and responsibilities which were just mentioned for project and BIM manager are not limited to only those. Those were just some of the critical and priority tasks and responsibilities that are undertaken by such roles. In order to ensure the maximum potential output, there should be a synchrony and effective communication between the project and the BIM manager. Because if the project manager has a limited understanding of BIM, this might affect the project success and maximum potential output. Therefore, an appropriate individual and organization should be chosen in order to fulfill such roles and responsibilities, especially if this professional has an expertise in delivering such project and tasks. If you'd like to learn more about how to implement BIM into your project, please click on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because every week we're posting an educational content for you. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. See you next time.